Deep in the heart of Geelong is a place no man has ever entered. A place that is surrounded by the shopper, the busker, and the underage smoker. A place known as the Rocco Casual Lane. Travellers strolling past can only glimpse at its many marvels, its shady ambience, its antique structures, its hidden tavern, and its steamy hot potato salad bar. One unnaturally frosty morning, 3 underdeveloped music makers, specialised in creating sound, were in search of a fresh venue to lay down their hat. They searched high and low, until... As ghastly as this thought may be, picture a human being turned inside out, with the bones on the outside, steel I-beams, the veins of the anodised metal exterior cladding, and the inside is where the skin is found. The studio is conveniently situated with a metre gap between its veins and the existing buildings, so natural light and ventilation is not prohibited from the structures. Meanwhile, moments away, the overground music kingdom was being threatened by a terrifying intruder. Hey, everybody, me again. The evil Brocco Smasher was in the midst of devising a plan to wipe out the citizens of Geelong's eardrums. Using my abnormally large amplifier turned to the maximum volume, I will strum the H note, which is dangerously forbidden to insert into the human ear, destroying the entire population's eardrums.
I like this staircase. It reminds me of a treble clef.
Guys, I can't make it up those stairs carrying all my equipment.
Never fear, man. There's a lift over here.
Help! The evil Brocco Smasher is moments away from destroying the city. Only talented music makers like you can stop him. You must find him.
Don't worry, miss. We'll save you, save the city, and save ourselves.
This is our lounge area with a small kitchenette designed for your comfort. This is where the magic happens. This room houses all of the equipment for recording, reading and manipulating the sound.
I'm no expert, but those speakers look like they are situated symmetrically in this room.
That is correct. It's so they don't get the same frequency response and distort the sound inserted into the listener's ear. It is also vital that the listener sits in a position where each ear is equal distances from corresponding speakers. Maintaining a visual of what is going on in the recording studio is also important. This is why we have these soundproof windows, each looking down upon the rooms.
These wavy walls are amazing! But what are they for?
All the better to hear you with. For soundproofing purposes, we've created a room within a room. That is, double-layer walls with dead space and insulation in between the two walls. The insulation is spaced away from the inside walls and ceiling to prevent resonating sound waves. Reflections are caused by parallel walls. That is why not only the entire walls are facing at different angles, but there is an irregular surface on the walls scattering the sound waves. Having a combination of reflective and non-reflective surfaces control the amount of reverberation in the room.
All these walls have fabric over them. Isn't there supposed to be a mixture of surface coverings?
This room is primarily used for vocal recording. Thus, it is required to be fully dead.
Dead?
Yes, dead. So there is no reflection of sound waves. They are all absorbed into the walls.
It's Rocco Smasher.
These tessellated walls are perfect for lack of reflectability for recording the forbidden note. So the three brave music makers saved the cherished city of Geelong. Citizens never lost their well-needed sense of hearing, and the relishing receptionist can now appreciate the new attraction penetrated through her studio. And a few extra treats.